Here's an ordinary hose nozzle with an extraordinary story. The problem was the customer was receiving many complaints for parts pulling apart. Customer reached out to us to try and help them. They were looking for advice on how to make the process and the assembly more solid. So this part used to have another thread right here. That thread used to screw into the internal diameter thread of this part. So we redesigned 2 of the 3 parts, the mating parts, and removed the threading and held very tight tolerances, thus making it possible for the assembly process to be automated via press fit. So bottom line, Avanti's experience took a customer's problem, resolved it with our engineering, and made a better design. From high production screw machine products to complicated CNC parts, our job is to make your part to the highest quality at the lowest cost.